In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product in Shopify. Duplicating a product is a quick way to create a new listing that shares most of the same details as an existing one without re-entering everything from scratch. This is especially helpful if you sell similar items with small variations like different colors or sizes. Start by heading to shopify.com in your browser. Once the page loads, click Login. Sign in using your usual method, whether that's email and password, single sign-on, or another option. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step so you land in your Shopify admin dashboard. From the admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Products. This takes you to your product list. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you want to copy. Click the product you'd like to duplicate to open its details page. On the product page, find and click the duplicate button. This opens a prompt that lets you choose exactly what to copy over. You'll typically see options related to content like the title and description, images and variants. If you're creating a very similar product, copying images and variants can save a ton of time. If you want the new product to start clean, you can leave certain details unchecked so you can customize them later. As a best practice, avoid copying unique identifiers like SKUs or barcodes, since those should be distinct for each product. After choosing what you'd like to carry over, click Duplicate Items. This applies your selections and prepares the draft of the new product. You'll then confirm the action by clicking Duplicate Product. Shopify will create the copy using the options you selected and open the new product for you. Once the duplicate is created, take a moment to review it. Give the product a clear, unique title to prevent confusion with the original. Update the description if needed, adjust pricing, and make sure your inventory settings, availability, and collections are correct for this version. If you copied variants, double-check each option and update any details that should differ. It's also a good time to scan the SEO preview so the new product's search listing is accurate and distinct. If the product should not go live yet, ensure it's set to draft so customers don't see it until you're ready. That's it. By following these steps, you can rapidly duplicate products and keep your catalog consistent while saving time. Thanks for watching and happy selling.